What up, great people? It's a favorite old guy here, Lawrence from LOfitnez, and today we shall learn how to do the squat jump like Mike Tyson and Durban. If you're new to this channel and you want to learn how to jump rope, perfect your jump rope trick or workout to be fit, hit the subscribe button and turn on notification. This move is a killer move and it burns all the time, whether you're a beginner or a pro jump roper. So you should learn how to do the squat and the side swing. Don't worry, we'll have a great tutorial on the jump rope side swing, link down in the description below. So without further ado, let's see how it looks and get started.
Hello and welcome to the tutorial proper. This move is all about the squat, so I advise you to do some squat training to get that perfect balance and coordination, just as you train your leg to be able to carry your upper body weight correctly. So get some squat training done, get that strength in your legs to carry your upper body, then you get into the move. Let's try some squat jump without the jump rope to see if our squat training has prepared us completely for this move. So the secret here is do not rest your thigh on the calf of your legs. That way you can jump easily, and make sure you bounce on the balls of your feet to better nail this move without much stress. You need a power side swing to better nail this move. That's a side swing with strength that gives that maximum speed for you to jump through this rope. Floyd Mayweather uses this trick most of the time. We are giving a nice tutorial on it. Once it's up, we'll link it down in the description for you to better understand this. If you understand the timing and mechanics of this move properly, you nail this move like Durban and Mike Tyson. So one thing I want you to pay attention to here is when you are entering the squat, you are into this power side swing. So the ropes are on your sides, then you enter the squat. So while you're making your jump on the balls of your feet, remember to always jump on the balls of your feet when you open the rope and whip through. So let's watch how it happens here. So remember, for a beginner, most of the time your handles will go high so that you can easily nail this move, but as you gradually perfect this move, you can bring the handles down to your chest level but kind of push it out so that you can easily whip to your side swing and whip open to jump through. So remember, when you're squatting, you're entering the side swing, then you quickly whip to jump through, then you enter your side swing into the squat again with your hands at your chest level, slightly pushed out to give you that maximum strength for your power side swing. So that's just all it takes to nail this move from the timing and mechanics.
There you have it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Remember, patient and right practice makes perfect. So if you find any part of this tutorial challenging, let us know in the comment section. Subscribe to start skipping like a pro and hit the notification button so you don't miss out on our new contents. Remain beautiful, be handsome, stay fit, and most importantly, be healthy. Take care of yourself, guys. Enjoy.